Oh, we have filters. Okay, hold on.
What does that mean?
Yeah, I'll show you. Well, let me find a good one. That'll make you laugh. Okay. There's the one that I like. Hold on.
Look at that. It's giving you horns.
Ah, come on.
Look at that.
Isn't that cute?
Oh, no.
Oh, we're on video.
Yeah, because Annie was in the picture originally.
Ooh.
You're not filming a video, are you?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that. There's two of you. How are you doing that?
It's a filter.
That's doing the data program. You can do that when you're talking to people.
You can do that when you're talking to people?
Yeah.
My head, look how big my head is.
Can I put this on the internet? I'm going to.
Oh, I can't. This is too funny.
I know.
We look like little Martians. Look at your forehead. Oh my God. Look at you. This is weird. This is weird.
Oh.
Would you? Oh. I'm sneaking up behind you. Oh.